Mel from the Mindful Homestead Country Comfort Farma, and today we harvest our radish. From these radish, I'm gonna prepare a pickle for the winter season. So to preserve it for when we will have no vegetables on the farm. Follow me doing it. So as you can see, I'm processing them. I'm cutting off the green. The issue with it, because of the heat, that here in south of Slovakia it went 40 this week. The radish started bolting, and even the discoloration of the leaves. So it means that it had a lot of stress. So we decided to harvest it. If the leaf was nice, you can do a very nice pesto with it. Hopefully we will be sowing it again end of summer for autumn, and I will show you how to use it. So now we're gonna start bottling the first bottle. We have radish, garlic, which is just squashed, black pepper, dill, and our vinegar and honey brine. I used honey because on the farm we hardly use any sugar. So it's either raw brown sugar, honey, or sometimes demerara sugar. Anyone who's gonna start maybe doing this type of job, it's best to buy something like this. I'm gonna place one garlic, some dill, some peppercorns, and place the radish in. Halfway I put more dill, some more pepper, and I make the garlic in the middle as well. Leave always that lip free. Make sure that nothing is touching the edges. Then with a kitchen paper, just wipe top. Make sure that these are under. Lock and put inside for it to bath in hot water so that the air, it comes airtight. As you can see, air is coming out of it. And that is how you do the pickled radish. For more, follow us on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and anyone who wants our farm products goes on www.countrycomfortfarma.eu. Your support means the world to us. Thank you.